Number 1. Mercedes-Benz 450 SL. 1973 year of issue 1973 Mercedes 450 SL Roadster, 2 tops. Silver with red leather interior, same owner for 25 years. Kept indoors and used up until a few years ago. Brand new brakes were installed before it was parked. Engine runs excellent, hasn't been on the road, but does run good. Needs some TLC, but a very solid car, clean underside, spare. Jack, original radio and trunk, hubcaps, clean title. Contact us for an appointment to see this car. Links to listings below. Number 2, Vandenplaz Princess. 1966 year of issue, presenting this 1966 Vandenplaz Princess R rare 2-tone color. Black silver that needs a full restoration. The car is left-hand drive with a Rolls-Royce engine. The collaboration of Rolls-Royce with Vandenplaz resulted in this uniquely drivable, sumptuously appointed saloon. Being compact by Rolls-Royce standards with an incredibly refined drive attributable to the FB60 Rolls-Royce 4-liter mated with Borg Warner's Model 8. An incredibly advanced gearbox in its time. This is a project vehicle and the car is not running. Original vehicle. Support the creation of our videos with your subscription. Number 3. Ford F100. 1955 year of issue, described as being 95% original, except for a repaint in its factory colors and reported to be a driving example of this 50s classic hauler. This 1955 Ford F100 custom cab pickup is powered by a Ford inline-6 engine with a manual transmission. The seller describes the Ford as a 2-owner truck, adding that she purchased it from the granddaughter of the original owner. The seller notes that the cab's bench seat has been recovered in vinyl, and that the sun visors and headliner are new. This F100 is optioned with Ford's custom cab trim package. The truck has moderate cosmetic issues, including some scuffs to the finish and a cargo bed floor that shows clear signs of use. The F100's powertrain is believed to be original to the truck. As to corrosion, the seller notes surface rust on the tailgate and the underside shows moderate rust on various components. Links to listings below. Number 4, Mercedes-Benz 190, 1962 year of issue. The Mercedes-Benz 190, also known as the W201, is a compact executive car produced by Mercedes-Benz from 1982 to 1993. It was the first model in Mercedes 190 series. Here are some basic details about the car. Design. The 190 featured a boxy, angular design typical of Mercedes-Benz cars from the 1980s. It had a relatively small footprint compared to other Mercedes models of the time. Engines, initially offered with a range of 4-cylinder and 6-cylinder gasoline, petrol engines, including both carbureted and fuel-injected versions. Later models also had diesel engine options. Performance. While not as powerful as Mercedes' larger models, the 190 still offered respectable performance for its class, especially in the later years with more powerful engine options. Features. Depending on the trim level and year, the 190 came with various features such as power windows, sunroof, leather upholstery, and advanced for its time safety features like ABS brakes and airbags. Legacy. The 190 is often credited with introducing many innovative features to the compact executive car segment and is considered a precursor to the modern Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Number 5. Studebaker Starlight Coupe. 1952 year of issue, rare 1952 Studebaker Starlight Coupe with the wrap-around back windows. One window is missing but replaceable. The body is in good shape with a few dents but very little rust. Will need a new trunk pan and windshield, have windshield gasket, and new side windows. Inline 6-sill, motor, manual transmission, car is disassembled and the engine and transmission are in the trunk. Engine turns. I have the seats and bumpers. 95% of parts come with it. If you're interested in more vintage cars for sale, be sure to subscribe to the channel. You'll be helping us out a lot.